Hey guys, it's me Claudia J. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button. For today's video, I'm here to do a review on this hair. So if you're interested, just keep watching.
Oh, I can tell by your vibe. I can see it in your eyes that you don't like. Intuition don't lie. Don't pretend you're a friend when I'm on in the spotlight. Big regular, this is real regular. I can tell you don't like them, still like it.
Okay, let's get right into talking to you about this hair. I was happily sent this hair from, I believe the company is called Niseyo. I hope I'm saying that right, Niseyo hair. They sent me over these butterfly locks, so I just wanted to come on here and give you a review of my experience installing the hair and what I overall think about the hair. So I do have some pros and cons. I'll start with the pros. The pros of this hair is I actually really like this hairstyle. I was very interested in trying it out. I've been seeing it all over YouTube, so I was like, okay, those are really cute on other people. I want to try them out on me. And after a few days, they did grow on me. I wanted to wear the hair for a few days to see how I genuinely felt about the hair, and I really like it. It's super low maintenance. I like the distressed look, so it's nice. It's like not super like high maintenance to try to make it like look super nice or neat, which is usually what I tend to do. I tend to do a lot of neater hairstyles. I tend to do my hair super neat, but this distressed look is super cute, so I do like that. As far as the cons, I did say I didn't really like the loops of this hair in particular. This probably doesn't necessarily have to do with butterfly locks as a whole, but just more so like this particular brand. I did not like the loops because they were more of suggestions more than like actual loops. So I do recommend that if you're going to buy this hair, when you get the loops, you're going to have to twist the hair down a little bit and open the loops with your fingers. And so that kind of goes into my next one. Not really like a pro or a con, but if you're gonna install this hair, it's actually a lot easier to do with your fingers. So just put like the crochet needle, pull the hair through, and after that you should be able to really just do it with your fingers, because the ends of the hair are a lot chunkier, and so you need a wider loop to be able to pull the hair through. So if you're gonna get this hair, I just highly just a tip to make installation easier, because I did get a little frustrated with trying to install this hair just because I had to widen the loops and then get like the chunkier pieces through, and then you want to be very careful while you're pulling them through not to stretch or like unravel the hair. I personally don't think the hair is necessarily beginner friendly, simply just because I feel like there's a little more extra work with trying to find the loops, and I'm all about being like super quick and efficient, and you know, it's not like the end of the world, but the loops did give me a little bit more of a hard time, and I've done a lot of crochet hairstyles on my channel, and they have not been the easiest loops to work with. But aside from that, that's all I really had to say about like the installation process. Another tip I would say is don't do your braids super small for this hairstyle at all. Bigger braids will definitely be better, because the locks are on the chunkier side, have a little bit more weight. Not as far as heavy, but because they are chunkier, you don't want to be sliding a super chunky lock through your super small braid. It's gonna make your head hurt, and you don't want to do that. I did my braids on the chunkier side this time, more than I usually do, and I definitely could have went chunkier as far as the ease of sliding the lock. So these are all things I just figured out while installing the hair. But other than that, I've gotten a lot of compliments on this hair. It's been super easy. I haven't really done much of anything. I just put my bonnet on and go to sleep. Yeah, so other than that, I have nothing but good things to say. This is like the front of my hair. And I will also be inserting a clip of me installing the hair. But yeah, the only thing I have to say really is be careful with the size of your braids when you're installing, because they are on the chunkier side. And just be careful with the loops. Other than that, it should be like a fine process. The hair is super cute. I've gotten tons of compliments on it. Hair is lightweight. It's not heavy at all. And the hair, the company sends you just the right amount of hair. I had about like a handful left out of the packs, and the hair has about 12 locks in them, and I thought at first it was like, this isn't going to be enough hair. It is enough hair. So I had 6 lots of hair, and each of them had about 12 in them. And I have about maybe like 10-ish locks left that I didn't put in my head, and I don't think you're going to need them. Like my hair feels really full. Let me show you the back. Okay, you guys, so this is the package that the hair came in. It comes with a crochet needle, and those are the 6 individually packed lots that it has. Like I said before, it comes with about 12 locks in each of those bags. And so this is me installing the hair, and this is just kind of footage of me showing you like that I had some problems with the hair going through the loop. And again, like I mentioned, you could probably just make your parts and stuff bigger because the locks are chunky, and I just had some issues, as you can see, getting the bottom through the loop. And this is the braiding pattern I decided to do. I believe I did the same braiding pattern in my last video if you haven't watched it, for my spring twist video, so go ahead and check that out too. So yeah, that is my review on this hair. I give it a thumbs up for the look of it and like the low maintenance of it. Do give it a thumbs down as far as like trying to find the loops. That's just a con for me. If it's not for you, that's perfectly fine, but I would just like the loops to be a little bit more defined and take a little less time to get the hair through. But other than that, super cute look. So if you like this look, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.